Me light this chalice not just to blaze. Oh yeah, yeah. Kaya smoke with Rasta, yeah, man.
Rise up early, bird a sing. Me walk barefoot, me soul a wing. Me see creation in every leaf. The trees them whisper secret belief. From high the hills me look below. Babylon still rush but me move slow. Me no need the noise, me seek the calm. Me hold me chalice like sacred psalm. Roots and remedy, that are the key. In a every drum me find clarity. Smoke rise up like ancient rite. Guide me soul in a light. Roots and remedy calm me mind. Heal me wounds from the daily grind. Me now run from pen, me face it wise. Me learn from roots, me grow and rise. Me cook up ital pan open flame. Me nah eat that, me no play that game. Plant in a garden, me reap the truth. Me live off land since me was youth. Me drink soursop and moringa leaf. Me use herbs, fit pain and grief. Them doctor can't sell me no pill. Me already find healing in the hill. Me sit still, listen breeze blow. The wind tell tale from long time ago. Them fight Rasta fi wall way back, but we stay firm like trip and track. Me see through Babylon TV screen, but me stay grounded, me stay clean. Me temple sacred, me chant me sound, me spirit deeper than any battleground. Roots and remedy, me medicine. Me rise with herbs, me rise within. Smoke surround me like misty veil. Me spirit sail where truth prevail. Me burn a next spliff feed your name. Each puff remove illusion and shame. Me no need riches nor vanity, just wisdom and simplicity. Me play me rhythm, me skanking grace. Me find peace in a humble place. Them count gold, me count breath. Each drum me give thanks for life, not death. Heartbeat drum, me move in chance. Me praise the most high in a every dance. Me crown are made of jewels or steel, but me wear roots like shield and seal. Me chant at night, me float like breeze. Me burn all doubt and live in peace. Me no follow trend or fashion clone. Me style ancient, me stand alone. Roots and remedy, that are me way. Me meditate through night and day. Inna the herb me find release. Me walk with lion, me trod in peace. Roots and remedy, balance divine. Me hold the herb like sacred sign. No fear, no hate, just melody. Me higher self set me spirit free. I like this chalice, not just to blaze. Light up the chalice, breathe in just sign. Sign are real, but love divine. Me open me eye with the rising sun. Steam in a kettle, me day just begun. Me chant of psalms with a humble tone, cause me know say Jah never leave me alone. Me step out barefoot on sacred land. Me feel the blessing from Jah own hand. Me hold me herb, me roll it slow. A meditation before me go. Steam rise up like the soul from fire. Me connect with life, me reach up higher. Spirit pure like spring-fed stream. Me blaze and float in a conscious dream. No rush, no race, no fear. bush with staff in hand. Me pick me herbs from blessed land. Me sister smile and wave from field. She reap what Jah and nature yield. Me sit under tree, me grind me leaf. I tall food cool, me soul find relief. Me light the chalice with holy flame and call Panja name, not in vain. Herb is me prayer, me meditation. Natural doctor, no need prescription. Me burn the fire with love and peace. Me offer chant, few are to cease. Rasta na promote, no vanity. Me build up heart with clarity. Me use each breath for truth and right. Me ride with Jah, me walk with light. I eat all stew bubble in a clay pot. Me no eat death, me no touch rat. From earth to pot, me give me praise. Me full me belly, me mind it raise. Me teach me youth the sacred way. No poison tongue, no system play. We chant at dusk, we rise at dawn. For every lion, a lamb is born. Me link me brother by riverside. We burn a spliff and reason why. Bout universe and time and soul. Bout how Jah is the only goal. It tell me tales from ancient time of kings and queens in sacred line. Me realize me crown is taught, and every man must battle fought. Steam rise up and carry me higher, above the matrix, beyond the sky. Me free me mind, me cleanse me fear. Jah voice me always hear. So me ride with the rhythm, plant me seed. Live in truth, not in greed. Steam and spirit, fire and flow. With Rasta, Livity me grow. Na 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 na. Dawaj kuti kosяк, Васька. Pack me bag, me roll one tight. Irie morning, the sun shine bright. Me jump in a van, baseline strong. Roots highway, me ride along. Me destination, just forward way. No worry, no clock, just jog today. From Kingston Hills to Portland Breeze, me drive with rhythm, me soul at ease. On the roots highway, me ride. With me spliff and rhythm by me side. Me carry love, me drop the stress. Inna this liberty me manifest. Me foot steady, me heart stay true. Jah guide the way, me always know. From town to bush, me spirit fly. On the roots highway, me testify. Me pass youth pan roadside sell. Them eyes still bright, though life nah swell. Me honk and wave, me send them light. Cause me know this world nah always right. But me not dwell in a pain too long. Me turn it to fire, me turn it to song. Me chant, me reason, me plant the seed. Rasta ride with faith, not greed. Me stop fi coconut, I eat all stew. Me link me brother, me whole have view. Me light up chalice under tree. Sweet smoke rise and me soul feel free. No rush, me take me time. Me life a poem, me words a rhyme. Every mile teach me more. Each 10 with Walkman I adore. Me link a sister in a Negril side. She tell me stories of what she hide. Me say release it, let Jah hear. Cause every tear is strength fi bear. Me meet a elder in a Clarendon. Him tell me of Marcus and revolution. Me soak the words like roots soak rain. Me ride with wisdom, not in vain. Sun a set now, sky on fire. Me feel the night and still inspire. Me light me spliff one more again and sing me truth in soft refrain. Stars above, the silence sweet. Me heartbeat sync with Naya Bingy beat. Me give thanks for every turn, cause even through dark, me spirit burn. Pan the roots highway me glide, with good vibes as me only guide. Me nah need riches, nah need gold. Me carry roots, me carry soul. Me travel light, me travel wide, with reggae spirit as me ride. Me livity real, me joy stay high. Panja highway, me reach the sky. Tarot's highway, carry you home. Smoke in the wind, no more room. Me ride the rhythm, me chant alone, till Zion call me reach me zone. Tarot's highway, carry you home. Nah, ganja in a Vito struck you, man. Morning dew on me skin, sun arise like the fire we burn deep within. Me stretch out me hand to the east with a prayer. Jah guide me steps, me spirit in a clear air. Me roll a next spliff, give thanks for the light. Me inhale wisdom, exhale fright. No worry pa me chest, no pain me a feel. Just love in a me blood and a heart we real. Lion heart meditation, me nah stress no more. Me sit in a silence while Babylon roars. Smoke rise like spirit in a sacred flame. Rasta nah run, Rasta claim him name. Lion heart meditation, calm like the sea. Me soul in tune with the breeze and tree. From hills to the valley, me message spread. Me chant down fear, me lift up head. Me hear the ancestors whisper in a wind. Live right youth, don't follow sin. Them voice soft but powerful like drum. Each beat remind me where me come from. Me nah need crown or title or fame. Me treasure me peace more than name. Me chalice full but me heart full are still. Me learn so silence teach more than skill. Draw and me drift to higher plane. Me feel the love wash me like rain. All the stress melt like candle flame. Me no chase dollar, me no seek fame. Me chant by river, me walk through field. Me soul armored, Jah is me shield. Them can't reach high when me meditate. Them words fall flat, me levitate. Lion heart meditation, deep in a eye. Me spirit fly free like bird in sky. Me no lock up in a steel and chain. Me free from illusion, me free from pain. Me pot bubble up with pumpkin and roots. Me feet firm planted like tree with fruits. Me nah sip poison, me sip on tea from ganja bush and that name tree. Me chant psalms in a twilight breeze. Me kneel in soil, me pray with ease. The city cold, but the hillside warm. Me blessed by the sun, me protected from harm. Ganja in a palm, it open me mind. Me see through illusion, me no longer blind. Them demon in a suit can't trick me again. Me read the signs, me know the pain. Me pass chalice to me brethren near. Each draw a bridge, each puff clear. We reason about life, we reason about soul. Me lyrics and love more precious than gold. Lion heart meditation, echo through night. Me glow in a dark, me carry Jah light. Lion heart meditation, strength from above. Me walk with the king, me tread with love. Me inhale peace and exhale pain. Lion heart strong through sunshine and rain. Meditation guide me like ancient flame. Me rise with the wind and call Jah name.
Ganja, ganja, ayayay coconut bang ya man.
sunrise, peek through the coconut trees. Me give thanks while me feel the breeze. Me light the herb, me sip me tea. Me mind connect to the Almighty. It's not religion, it's livity true. Me no follow man, me follow Jah view. Bare footsteps on Mother Earth. Each one sacred, each one worth. Me move with the rhythm of nature slow. One breath, one beat, me livity flow. Me smoke, me chant, me feel Jah near. Me heart beat steady, me soul stay clear. Me flow like river, me rise like smoke. This livity real, it nah no joke. Every draw, me reason deep. Truth in a silence, roots run deep. Under the mango tree, me sit and float. Meditation sweet like honey in throat. Me herb sacred, me mind fly far. Me reach places beyond the star. Me chant for healing, chant for peace. Me chant till every illusion cease. Me no worry about the time or race. Me walk in Iration, Jah give me grace. Burn the fire not just for smoke, but for awaken the ones who still provoke. Me not judge, me just live wise. Me see through lies with open eyes. Babylon can't cage this heart. Me soul free from the very start. Me walk the line that prophets tread. Me reason with ancestors, not what's said. Me flow like a leaf on the river bed. Me mind elevated, me spirit fed. Me no rush, me let life go. One with the earth, me livity flow. Me journey far, but me still near. Me carry Rasta word loud and clear. From hills of Zion to city light. Me shine me message in a darkest night. Me dreadlocks long like wisdom roots. Each twist carry ancient truths. Me no flex with vanity thing. Me crown full of life, not gold ring. Me no need mansion, me no want fame. Just a hut, a spliff, and Jah name. Me family, me land, me little sound. Me grow from soil, me hold it down. Me give what me have, me share what me gain. Me live it pure like the morning rain. Rasta no boast, Rasta just live. Me give love and love me give. Me dance pon the wind, me ride the breeze. Me chant till all Babylon freeze. Me live with roots, me live with soul. Me livity flow, forever all. Me move with the moon and the sun above. Me walk in harmony, me walk in love. In a every breath, Jah light me way. Me livity flow each blessed day. Me step out in a the night, barefoot on earth. Wind whisper prophecy, rebirth from birth. Me eyes closed, but me sight wide. Me soul a compass, me nah hide. Me travel through silence, through herb smoke gates. Me pass the illusion and Babylon waits. Me nah need no visa, me nah need no name. Just Jah light guide the flame. Me spirit float, pan rhythm slow. Me heart a drum, it beat and glow. Them say me mad, but me just wise. Me find my truth in a ancient skies. Zion traveler, in a dub dimension. Mystic vibration, Jah Jah ascension. From earth to star, from root to crown. Me rise, me fly, me never drown. Zion traveler, true sound me move. Each echo a portal, each drop a groove. In a ital state, me reach deep inside. This dub mission, me soul's right. Me sit pan rock, me bun the chalice. No gold, no chain, me need no palace. The tree them chant, a secret line. Me reason with lion, me sip me wine. Me touch the soil, me feel it breathe. Me walk with wisdom that ancestors leave. Me not seek power, me seek peace. Me chant till the worldly illusion cease. Inna the herb, me find me key. Meditation unlock eternity. Me nah hustle, me float like leaf. Me words them slow, but them bring relief. Me say, oh, Rasta move like water. Me rise like morning after. Me travel in a light vibration. Me chant like Zion station. The dub echo in a hills and sea. It carry message that set you free. No preacher, no gatekeeper chain. Me soul a vessel, no need explain. Zion traveler in a dub vibration. Smoke rise up like holy incantation. No map, no guide, me follow me heart. Every note a whirl, every drop a start. Zion traveler, ride sound wave high. True realms unseen by Babylon eye. Me no fear dark, me light reside. Me chant deep, in a dub me glide. Me share me herbs, me share me song. Me build a fire where soul belong. Me no compete, me celebrate. Me na rush, me meditate. Me call to hydrant, far and near. Me say come vibe, no room for fear. This music now, fi entertain alone. It heal the flesh, it touch the bone. So me keep chanting through the static. Each rhythm drop prophetic, galactic. Me words not trend, them just exist like starlight through Naya Bingy mist.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Close your eyes, feel the bass line deep. This reggae rhythm wake you from sleep. Light up the chalice, slow and wise. We travel far beyond the skies. Me nah fly plane, me ride the sound. Me leave me flesh, me soul unbound. Me float on clouds, me reason star. Jah kingdom not far, it's right where you are. Nobody stop this cosmic gate. Me spirit move in timeless state. Meditation guide the route, while drum beat chant out sacred truth. Rasta astral flight, hold tight. We blaze in love, we blaze in light. High grade in a chalice, firm in sight. We levitate through Jah divine night. No gravity can hold we down. We wear the herb like royal crown. Rasta flight, no end, no start. Jah navigation, lead me heart. Me touch Saturn, reason with moon. Sing praises under cosmic tune. Them can't block this vibration ride. Me soul no hide, me not divide. Me meet me ancestors in a light. Them say keep chanting your future bright. Them hand me drum, me hand them flame. Together we beat Babylon shame. Stars whisper secrets in a ear. Me see so clear when me not fear. Ganja leaf expand me view. Me see me purpose, me path, me crew. So light it up, no be afraid. This herbal wisdom long time made. It not just I, it's ancient code. Unlock your soul, walk your road. Breathe in slow, hold your vibe. Feel your presence, start to scribe. The rhythm guide, me body sway. But me soul a travel far away. Rasta astral fly through space. We chanting strong in Jah embrace. No dark force can dim this glow. We shine like sun, high and low. Take a draw, the spirits rise eternally. Rasta flight through sound and flame. No passport need, just Jah name. Me see planet Earth from far above. So much pain, so little love. But in a heights, me find the key. Rasta way, set a mind free. Me chant one love for the human race. Me chant more peace in a every place. Me chant them wake from mental trap. Me chant till Babylon wall collapse. So when you smoke, not just get high. Use the herb, fee open your eye. Give thanks, reason, listen well. Jah live inside where truth a dwell. Astral flight, we rise above. No hate, just urban roots in love. We no chase fame, we seek light. Reggae meditation in the night. So if you're ready, step inside. Let Rasta rhythm be your guide. Close your eye, inhale Jah flame, and ride the wave. No fear, no shame. Zion echoes, vol 5 complete. The message strong, the rhythm sweet. Next journey soon come. Hold on tight till then. Keep flying through the EA night.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ayayay. Kali kushina the paper. We rise early when the sun's still low. Steam chalice bubbling, heart start fi glow. Me barefoot walk through morning dew. Nature talk and me listen through. Me nah need no clock fi tell me time. Me follow Jah rhythm, it's sweet like chime. The breeze a sing me inhale deep. With every breath, me soul take leap. Me carry me locks like crown pan head. Each strand a story that Jah man tread. No rush, no race, me time is mine. Me life, a roots tune, bass and line. Rasta Road, me trod it slow. Under moonlight, under sun glow. High grade in a brain, peace in a soul. Meditation make me feel whole. Me not chase goal, me chase iration. Vibration high like levitation. One draw, one prayer, one aim. Live free, live true, now play the game. Me broke a piece of callaloo leaf. Dash it in a pot, blessings and relief. Me nyamaital, me chant in peace. Give thanks for life, me worry cease. High grade whisper to me mind. Ease yourself, leave stress behind. Me close me eyes and drift away. Fly through clouds in a ganja ray. Me spirit dip on a mystic flight. Every draw make me sight feel right. No bad mind, no envy fi keep. Just pure heart and meds that deep. Yeah man. Me travel not by plane or train, but through vibes, through music, through strain. Me see hills in a me mind's eye. Feel Jah breeze as me soul fly high. A little steam, a little chant. Me elevate, me no need no grant. Me temple pure, me thoughts align. With every step, me touch divine. Rasta Road, me trod it wise. Under stars, under blue skies. No hurry, no worry, me take me time. One spliff, one chant, one perfect rhyme. Me now wear brand, me wear grace. Me look for peace, not first place. Jah give me life, and that me feel. In every draw, me soul start heal. Me sit pan rock, steer pan sea. Waves teach me how fi just be. Me not have riches but me rich inside. The world can't take away that pride. Me reason with me brother about the stars. Talk about Zion and Jupiter, Mars. Me say, brother, this life a trip. Hold your vibe, don't lose grip. Me burn the herb in a sacred way. Fi clear the path, fi light the day. It not fi hype, it's fi connect. To the most high, full respect. So me trod and me trod alone, but Jah voice guide me like telephone. One spliff, one soul, one beat. Rasta Road steady under me feet. Ayayay Rastaman Smoke kosyak with Vazk and Svetka.
Me see her walk through the misty hill, barefoot Svetka with soul so still. Eyes like stars, she glowing dawn. Me heart chant rhythm from she was born. She hold a herb, bless it twice. She whisper Jah love so sweet, so nice. No loud noise, just nature breeze. She reason soft like ancient trees. Me spirit rise, me heart confess. This ital love, me can't suppress. She not fake, she not try please. She just exist like rivers and seas. Ital love, inna the hills, with firelight and Rasta drills. We born together, we chant in peace. Our hearts connect, our worries cease. Ital love, pure and free, a sacred bond between she and me. Me can't resist, me can't deny. She my queen and I a lion high. We cook it all in a bamboo pot. No rush, just love, no stress, no plot. We sip roots tonic on the sky. She asks me, how you feel, me sigh. Me tell her peace, she give me grin. Me know deep down this love I win. No vanity, no Instagram, just harmony in a Rasta jam. We plant herbs, we till the land. She hold me firm with gentle hand. Me teach her drum, she teach me breath. Together we live, we no fear death. We rise early, greet the sun. Meditation done before the day begun. We share thoughts like river stream. We float together in a same dream. No ring, no chain, no paper bind. Just soul to soul, divine design. We reason on hills, both Zion way. We not look back, we choose to stay. Ital love, inna the hills. Me heart she hold, me cup she fills. No need for riches, we rich in time. Our love deeper than rhythm or rhyme. Ital love, she chant me name. Together we burn the Babylon flame. No fear, no doubt, no disguise. Just her reflection in me eyes. At night we dance pan red dirt floor. Drum beat echo through cedar door. Stars align when we embrace. Jah presence wrap the sacred space. She tell me lion stay true and wise. Guard your light from Babylon lies. Me hold her close, me trust the path. This ital queen, she cure me wrath. We no quarrel, we reason slow. She know me heart before me know. This not just fling, this not short flame. Ital love, no guilt, no shame. Me give thanks for the day she appear. Me give thanks every time she near. She me temple, she me guide. She me strength when me must decide. So when you walk on winding track, look out for love that bring you back. Ital love, no script, no lies. Just fire and faith in each other's eyes.
Ayayay Them say obey, them say fall in line, but me ears tune to a higher sign. Me say rebel with love, stand up for peace. Me chant this song till the captive release. You them trapped in a screen illusion, them drown in hype, forget them fusion. Me say unplug, reconnect to your root. We bond, we strong, we not dilute. Raise your voice, tear down the veil. Truth stronger than Babylon jail. Rebel skies call you by name. Fly high on freedom flame. Raise your voice, tear down the veil. Truth stronger than Babylon jail. Rebel skies call you by name. Fly high on freedom flame. Raise your voice, freedom cries. Lift up your soul, wipe your eyes. Me say chant on mountain top. Babylon walls, I fi drop. Yeah, them design system fi trap the youth, fi keep them blind from Jah truth. But we ancestors whisper still. Rise up son, fulfill Jah will. Me nah go drown in a hopeless song. Me nah go sing, say we can be strong. Me say chant louder, walk taller. Me say stand for love, nah crawl smaller. Police media them play them game. Blame we struggles, pan we name. But me know the system sick from birth. Me know the earth, the righteous word. The wind that blow with rebel song. It sweep the weak, empower the strong. Each tear dropped, water the seed. From pain grow Jah mighty breed. Me say lift your hands high to the moon. Freedom soon come, freedom soon. We not fi beg, we not fi hide. We ride the wave, we ride the tide. Raise your skies, freedom cries. Lift up your soul, wipe your eyes. Me say chant pan mountain top. Babylon walls, I fi drop. Yo, me drum beat loud. Ayayay, Rastaman wants Vodka. Yeah, man. Them show you glitter, them hide the chain. But me spirit blaze through the pain. No prison can hold your light. Me a free soul ready to fight. The streets paved with fake delight. Them neon blind but not true sight. Me see the poor man cry by night. Me hear the silent prospect flight. Them say buy more, own your soul. But me heart nah fit in a them role. Me nah fi seal, me nah fi trade. Me born a lion, nah be no slave. Babylon worship the gold and fame. Me worship love, me worship Jah name. Them try silence the ancient call, but the spirit inside stand tall. Break them chains of shiny lies. Burn the veil before your eyes. The fire within can be tamed. Spirit of Jah forever unchained. Break them chains of shiny lies. Spirit of fire, turn it around. Them can't buy with soul or will. Jah light blaze higher still. Me say wake up, youth of Zion land. Them poison the water, them poison the hand. Them sell dreams in a plastic case. But real freedom nah have no face. Me nah need no throne or crown. Me find me peace where the drum sound. Me plant me seed in sacred earth. Me chant me song of righteous birth. Them build walls, we build bridge. Them preach hate, we chant pledge. We pledge to love, we pledge to heal. We pledge to rise, for real, for real. Them can't trap a river flow. Them can't stop the seed fi grow. Them spend billions to hide the sun, but Jah creation already won. Me see you chanting a ghetto lane. Me see elders praying a heavy rain. All voice, one flame, one choir, one spirit, one eternal fire. Chains of gold fall to the ground. Spirit of fire, turn it around. Them can't buy with soul or will. Jah light blaze higher still. Me nah beg Babylon. Oh, Jah light, guide we path. Rebel roots, them rising fast in the shadow of the mighty tree. Jah warriors rise up free. Born with a fire burning in a chest. Them tell me hush, but my spirit never rest. System build prison with silver chain. Smiling face, but them feed with pain. Them set up rules we make you crawl. If you dream too big, them say you fall. But I Rastaman stand tall still. Roots deeper than Babylon's will. From the streets of Trench Town to Zion Lane. Me chant freedom in a driving rain. Them broadcast lies through plastic screen, but truth still bloom like lush green bean. Me say one drop rhythm in a me blood. We no bow to pressure, we ride the flood. Me granny teach, don't fear them sword. Your spirit stronger, your soul accord. In the darkest hour, light a shine. Roots grow deeper in a Babylon time. Me chant for the voiceless, me chant for the weak. Me chant for the system, them called free. Rebel roots rising in a concrete town. Jah children plant hope where system break down. No chain strong enough, fi bind we dream. We water the earth with rebel stream. System say money make you man, but me say soul make you overstand. Them say obey or face the rod. Me say rebel and trust in Jah God. Me see youths lost in a flashing light, trading the soul for likes overnight. But deep in them, a flame still glow, waiting for winds of freedom fi blow. Politician promise like sugar cane, sweet at first, but rot the brain. Them sell unity, but sow division. But we see through the television vision. Me play drum, me chant psalms in a night. Me write lyrics like arrows of light. Every verse a weapon, fi conscious fight. Every song a bridge from wrong to right. Look to the mountain, look to the sea. Jah made you sovereign, Jah made you free. No barcode, no ID card can measure the depths of your beating heart. Rebel roots push through pavement crack. No Babylon fire can hold we back. Me feel the wind of ancestors call. Rise up my people, rise up all. Rebel roots rising in a concrete town. Jah children plant hope where system break down. No chain strong enough, fi bind we dream. We water the earth with rebel stream. Me nah sing fi gold chain or fame. Me sing fi the elder who remember Jah name. Me chant fi the farmer, the mother. Zion echoes, smoke chalice, yeah man. Smoke and rise, me feel the breeze. Me like the herb and me feel at ease. Through the struggles, me find the peace. Smoke and rise, me release the beast. Me like the spliff, me feel the calm. Me rise with Jah, me feel the charm. The struggles them hard, the road so tough. But me like me fire, but never had enough. The pressure real, me fight in the street. But me face the world with me bare feet. Me smoke the herb, me find me flow. Me rise from the struggle, me let the love show. Me walk through the fire, me walk through the rain. Me face the pain, but me break the chain. Me burn the
find my love. The smoke rise slow, the peace it flow. Me face the darkness, me let the light glow. Me journey long, me journey wide, but me smoke and rise, me never hide. Smoke and rise, me feel the breeze. Me light the herb and me feel at ease. Through the struggles, me find the peace. Smoke and rise, me release the beast. Me born in the struggle, me born in the pain, but me rise every day, me break the chain. Me light the fire, me light the spark. Me rise above the darkness, me leave me mark. The journey it long, but me still a go. Me smoke the herb, me rise and me glow. Me step in the light, me step in the flame. Me find my peace, me break the chain. Me rise from the ashes, me rise from the dust. Me light the spliff, me feel the trust. Me no fear the fight, me no fear the fall. Me rise with Jah, me stand tall. Smoke and rise, me feel the breeze. Me light the herb and me feel at ease. Through the struggles, me find the peace. Smoke and rise, me release the beast. Me rise in the morning, me rise in the night. Me light the spliff, me find the light. Me smoke and rise, me free my soul. Inna the smoke, me find me gold.
Me rise up with the sunrise glow. Me face the breeze, me take it slow. No worry in my chest, no fear. Just the center morning and Janeer. Me chant me first word to the sky. Me give thanks for the birds that fly. Me burn a liquor spliff, me eyes closed. Me drift on rhythm, me mind compose. Me no need riches, me no need fame. Me so rich with Jah holy name. Me live on hill where silence grow. Me drink root tonic and let life flow. This a Rasta Road me trod, with ganja breeze and blessings from God. No chains for me mind, me free. Meditation a guide me like the sea. Rasta Road it not confuse. Me follow vibes, me never lose. Inna the herbs me find me space. Inna the drum beat me find me pace. Me woman like the incense slow. Me youth them dance like rivers flow. Me yard full of laughter and plant tree. Me heart full of irie energy. Me wear me red, gold, green with pride. Me roots run deep, can't divide. Me read, me scroll, me chant a songs. Me soul stay cool, me soul stay calm. Them say Rasta, why you smile so wide? Me say cause me nah live pon the outside. Me dwell pon spirit, me ride the wind. Me sing with mountain, me drum within. Me nah follow trend, nah chase hype. Me burn, me seed, me shopping, me type. Me walk barefoot pon sacred land. Me feel every pulse with Jaja. And me take me brother for reasoning time. Me sister and prepare up idle for dine. We laugh, we heal, we share some smoke. We chant till city spell get dope. This a Rasta Road me trod, with ganja breeze and blessings from God. No chains pon me mind, me free. Meditation a guide me like the sea. Rasta Road me way so clear. Me carry no hate, me carry no fear. Each breath a image step a dance. each day me live, me get a next chance. Me can't forget the hills of home, where time moves slow and spirit roam, where herbs grow wild and skies stay blue, and every tree whispers something true. Me string me guitar on veranda seat, me foot up pretty, me soul complete. Me sing bout life, love and Jah guide. Me nah drift far, me nah divide. Me know say struggles are part of life, but me nah pick up no war, no knife. Me pick up me chalice, pick up me pen. Me write for me people again and again. So walk with I on the Rasta Road, where burden light and blessings load, where you don't need likes to feel alive. You just need the earth and vibes to thrive. This as Zion echoes chant for true. Me share me joy from my to you. And if you ever lost in mind or mood, just burn a fire upon the Rasta Road.
Ayayay Zion roll the split, brother.
Early morning light paint the hill gold. Me rise up slow, embrace Jamol. Me wrap the herb like sacred scroll. One spark, ignite me in a soul. Me sip on mat under ancient tree. Birds are sing and breeze bless me knee. Me close me eyes, inhale deep. Me spirit fly where silence creep. This snuffy hype, this snuffy show. Ganja guide me where truth flow. Inhale wisdom, exhale pain. Me link with Jah through mystic strain. Ganja meditation, clear the mind. Inna the smoke, me answers fine. Me heart beat slow, me soul feel wide. Reggae rhythm keep my vibes aligned. Me not drift off, me just tune in. Through the leaf, me soul begin. Every puff a sacred rite. Fi balance that, fi hold the light. Me granny used to say, take your time. You can't rush Jah, you can't rush climb. So me hold still like roots in ground, and listen closely for the healing sound. Me burn herb, but me no burn out. Me fire control, me never doubt. Ital food and ital flame. Keep me temple, clean the name. Me chant psalms, me hum me prayer. Even if the world no care, can't fake peace with gold or chain. Peace come from within the brain.
Yeah. This nothing fashion, this a sacrament. A bridge between time and present moment. Me no smoke for look cool in a post. Me smoke for talk to John, me ghost.
Ganja meditation, steady vibe. A Rasta tool, a healer tribe. Me sit still and me mind fly free. Through mountain, sea and mystery. No pills, no nice, just herb and bread. Me conquer stress, me conquer death. Me feel me ancestors walk me side. Me light one draw and me fear subside. Me tread barefoot through forest lane. Me link with nature, me drop the chain. Me not fear man, me just believe. It bring me vision, it bring relief. Me see colors in a clear day. Me feel Jah word in every ray. One Jah and me troubles ease. Me chant fi world, me chant fi peace. This meditation keep me sane. When city burn and hearts feel pain, me build me mind like Zion gate, and enter strong, no carry weight.
So next time you see smoke rise, know it's more than red eyes. It's a soul climb, a healing fire, a call to love, a root empire.
Zion echoes, me share me truth. One herb, one chant, one lion youth. Me light up, me lift up, me live.
Them build light to us, them build great wall, but just seed grow where the mighty fall. Them rule with iron, them rule with shame, but in our heart still blaze Jah flame. Me walk the streets where concrete bleed. Me see me people begging for need. Me see them faces worn and dry, but behind them eyes rebellion fly. Them take the land, them take the sea. Them take the spirit from you and me. Them promise hope in a lying tongue, but every promise way heavy and wrong. Me say, don't drink the sweet illusion wine. It bind your mind like serpent vine. Me say, stand firm on the ancient rock. Don't let Babylon change your clock. Me carry drum beat deep in bone. I read in Babylon can dethrone. From dust we rise, from fire we mold. We chant freedom, we chant bold. In a city of glass and twisted steel, only Jah light make we heal. Me chant for the broken, me chant for the last. Fi remind them soul can't measure in cost. Kingdoms of dust, hearts of flame. Me call upon Zion in a Jah name. Even if the world burn down round we, the roots of love still set we free. Them show your riches pon the screen, but hide the sorrow them can't clean. Them say consume until you're full, but them spirit empty like belly pull. Me rather walk barefoot pon Jah land than sell me soul for silver hand. Me rather chant in a valley low than wear fake crown pon crooked brow. Them manufacture dreams for you sleep, but truth rise up from spirit deep. Them breed division with fear and gun, but Jah children chant until kingdom come. Me say, rise up youths, you are light. Even when the world drown your sight, you're not just number in a them plan. You are the earth, the sky, the man. Hear me now, hear me cry. No Babylon tower reach just sky. No plastic dollar, no flashing light can blind Jah warriors in a night. Them paint we history in lies and chain, but we memory deeper than pain. Them burn with books, them twist with song, but we remember where we belong. Kingdoms of dust, hearts of flame. Me call upon Zion in a Jah name. Even if the world burn down round we, the roots of love still set we free. Me not afraid of the final storm, cause revolution been long form. Each chant, each prayer, a mighty blow, tearing down lies them safe. Silence the earth and tree, but rebel roots rise endlessly. Them chain the mind, them chain the hand, but your spirit flourish pon the land. Me walk through the fields where ancestors cry. Them whisper songs that never die. Them roots twist deep, them roots grow strong. Them roots remember where we belong. Babylon build fence, Babylon build wall, but roots crack stone, roots now fall. Them pump the air with poison gas, but we chant clean breath feed the mass. Me now follow them flashing sign. Me follow sun, me follow vine. Me follow bird, me follow breeze. Me trust the language of the trees. Them offer papers with heavy lies, contracts we chain the open skies. Me rip them up, me say no deal. Me choose life, me choose feel. Rise up, oh rebel soul. Plant your dreams, take back control. For every tear them force you cry, 1,000 roots reach to the sky. Rise up, oh rebel soul. what them can't see. The silent revolution of the tree. For every stone them throwing hate. Roots with strength, roots create. Me say use your destiny in our soul. It live in the seed, it live in the old. Each time you dance, each time you sing, you water the future Jah bring. Me see warriors with pen and song. Me see healers where them say wrong. We build back love, them try erase. We chant back truth, them try replace. Drummer beat low in a rebel chest. Bassline heavy like lions rest. We nah beg favor, we nah ask chance. We step with power, we step with dance. Roots reach deeper than bullet sound. Roots rise higher than faith crown. We turn this sorrow into beat. We turn oppression into heat. Rise up, O rebel soul. Plant your dreams, take back control. For every tear them force you cry. 1,000 roots reach to the sky in Ereptozing.
Zion Echoes.
The heart strong, the mind stay pure. The wicked run, them can't endure. Jah bless me, me stand secure. Me chant the truth, me make it sure. Me wake up strong, me give me praise. The morning sun, it light the ways. Them set the trap, but me not face. The fire blaze, me days them raise. The struggle real, me know the test. Them push me down, them rob the rest. But me not fall, me hold me chest. Me walk with pride, me trod me best. Me hear the elders, them chant the past. Them fight for freedom, them move too fast. The system shake, it can't outlast. The time is now, the spell get cast. Strength of a lion, me walk with grace. Babylon fall, me set the pace. No more chains, me lock the gate. Jah guide me, me know me fate. Strength of a lion, me never bow. The fire burn, the truth show no. Me chant it loud, me make them know. Rasta rise, the blessings flow. Me hold the knowledge, me take me stance. Me burn corruption, me chant me chants. The world confused, the people dance. But me spread the truth, me give them chance. Me plant me seed, me let it grow. The righteous way, the river flow. The wicked scheme, them moving slow. The judgment come, them can't say no. Me see the light, me feel the change. Me rearrange, me break the chains. The revolution set free range. The fire hot, it burn the strange. Chant it loud, chant it free. No more war, no misery. Rasta rise, the world fi see. Jah rule eternally. Strength of a lion, me walk with grace. Babylon fall, me set the pace. No more chains, me lock the gate. Jah guide me, me know me fate. Strength of a lion, me never bow. The fire burn, the truth show now. Me chant it loud, me make them know. Rasta rise, the blessings flow. Me never bow, me never shake. The righteous rise, the system break. Me chant it loud, me make it quick. The truth still strong, the earth awake. One love. Zion echoes.
Me hear the echoes, me hear this sound. The voice of Jah, it's all around.
inna the mountains, inna the sea. Me hear Jazz call, it speak to me. Me walk the path, me follow the call. Me know Jazz love will never fall. Echoes of Jah, me hear the truth. Me step forward, me rise from the youth. Echoes of Jah, they call so clear. Inna the heart, me have no fear. Me follow the light, me follow the way. Echoes of Jah, me hear what they say. Echoes of Jah, the rhythm so true. Me rise in a Jah, me stand with the crew. Me chant for the people, me chant for the land. Echoes of Jah, we take this stand. Me feel the power, me feel the grace. Me know Jah's love are in every place. Me hear the echoes, me hear the cry. Jah's voice a calling, me can't deny. Through the valleys, through the hills, echoes of Jah give me the chills. Me feel the rhythm, me hear the sound. Inna the echoes, me know me found. Echoes of Jah, they call so clear. Inna the heart, me have no fear. Me follow the light, me follow the way. Echoes of Jah, me hear what they say. Echoes of Jah, the rhythm so true. Me rise in a Jah, me stand with the crew. Me chant for the people, me chant for the land. Echoes of Jah, we take the stand. Echoes of Jah, they lead the way. Me hear the truth, me hear the say. Me follow Jah's voice, me follow the road. Me trust in Jah, me carry the load. Echoes of Jah, me never stray. Me walk the path, Jah light the way. Echoes of Jah, me hear the sound. In the echoes, me stand my ground. Echoes of Jah, me rise so high. In Jah's light, me touch the sky. Me hear the echoes, me walk the track.